Welcome to the display guide for your Euphree electric bike. To turn on your display, press and hold the power button in the center. This is the main screen of your bike. It consists of your speedometer in the top left, your pedal assist level in the bottom left, your battery level indicator at the top right, and your trip distance at the bottom right. Your bike has 5 levels of pedal assistance. Press the plus button to raise it, and the minus button to lower it. Level 0 will deactivate pedal assist. Pressing and holding the plus button will turn on your lights. You can tell your lights are on by the light indicator that pops up on your screen. Press and hold the plus button again to turn them off. Pressing and holding the minus button will activate walk mode. Use walk mode to help you walk your bike up inclines. To enter the settings menu, double-click the power button. The settings menu has several submenus, such as brightness, system, auto off, wheel, advanced, factory setting, password, and exit. To enter a submenu, press the power button. Brightness lets you set the brightness of your display. System has several options to customize your bike, but not all of them should be changed. You can set the unit system between metric and imperial. Power system shouldn't be changed from 48 volts. Power indicator lets you pick if you want the percentage shown or not. Auto assist allows you to choose whether the assist level is set automatically or manually. It's recommended that you leave it off. Auto off lets you pick the amount of time that your bike will sit idle before turning off automatically. The wheel menu tells the system what size of wheel you have on your bike. The default should be set to 28. If you have a bike with 26-inch wheels, be sure to lower it down to 26. The advanced menu contains several settings that shouldn't be changed. As such, it requires a password to enter. The password is 1801. Remember, this password is different from the password that you may have set on your bike. Speed limit is what lets you change the class of your bike. The default is 45 km per hour, but can be changed to 32 km per hour to make it a class 1 or 2. Current limit changes the amount of power sent to your motor. The default is set to 15 amps. Be aware that raising the amperage will drain your battery more quickly. Assist levels will always be set to 5. Poles in motor is set to 1 and should not be changed. The throttle setting will limit the throttle speed to 6 km per hour, which translates to 4 miles per hour. Factory setting will reset everything back to its default settings. The password submenu allows you to set a password on your bike. Without the password, none of the electrical functions on the bike will work. The default password is 0000. After entering the password, you can choose to either turn it on or reset it to a new combination. Press exit to leave the settings menu. Those are all of the features of the display of your bike. Thanks for watching.